Hello friends, welcome to Idea channel. Today we are going to see about how to create a user in Genesys Cloud. Let's go and see it. First you can log into the Genesys Cloud and then go to the admin tab here, activity, and then you can click on admin tab. So under the admin tab, you can search for people under the people and permissions. You can click on the people application. To create a user, click on the add person. Here you can name the user name, first name dot last name. You can create it, or it depends on the organization style. And then you can put the test dot test at the rate. For an example, abc.com. So division is home, and then we can send the invite now. Is I unchecked. If we can send the invite later, or you can intimate to the user through email. Yes. Okay. Created this user earlier. I want to recreate it. So under the roles, can assign the employee role by default. And I'm going to consider this user as admin role. So I configured admin role now. Save and continue. So while saving, it is updating the license by default. Following license will be automatically assigned Cloud CX2 and Collaborate. So I said yes. And then go to the division. Here division is at present only home division. If you have multiple divisions in your organization, you can select the configuration based on that. And then whatever roles we assigned for that permissions, you can view it here. What are the permissions assigned to this user at present? Next tab is phone. We can phone configuration will do finally. And before that, queues and ACD skills we have to configure. For the queues, I have already created some of the queues. I'm going to assign sales queue for this user. And to assign the ACD skills, we need to have skills. So now you can go to the admin. Under the admin, check for the ACD skills. Type fit for ACD. ACD skills and languages is coming under contact center. So click on this application. And here is an add skill option. Add skill, you can present. I'm going to assign core sales. For this person. So I just created a one skill, and then you can check it. This skill. Core sales is coming here. So you can assign the proficiency to this user. If he's well versed in core sales, then you can assign 5 proficiency level, or else you can assign 3, something like that. Then here the languages, by default it will be English. So here no languages available. You can go to the skills and languages. You can select the language and create it. English speaking, add it, and also add English writing. English writing may not be required for this agent at present, but we have created two skills. Then here English type it. Still it is not listing it, so it is better to refresh. Yeah, type it again. English speaking is calm. So if you are confident enough, this user can able to handle, the full well versed in English. Then you can select 5 for proficiency level and then save and continue. So now we are configured queues and then ACD skills, and you can configure phone also. So what are the username? You can take the username and go to the phone configuration under the admin. Type it, search it for phone management. Under the telephony, it is available. Here you can create a phone name. It is test user underscore web.tc. Base settings is GC trial web.tc base settings. At present, it is available. If your organization configured with the separate base settings for the web.tc, then we can select that one. Here GC trial site, you can select it. Yeah, the username is test user one. You can save phone now and go to the copy this phone name and go to this user. Under the phone tab, you can type it or paste it. So it is already came here. Again, you can save and continue. So next one is utilization. Utilization is it is a by default configuration provided by the Genesys Cloud. Media, these are the media: voice, chat, email, message, and callback. So these are all organization default settings, like maximum capacity. Like voice is one voice always. Chat can be 4 per agent. Like one email at a time can able to handle 4 messages can able to handle by the agent. Callback is 1. So these are the configurations for the agent to attend the calls and messages, etc. Under the person details, here is a main email. This is the main email. So based on that, you can able to log into this Genesys Cloud portal, or you can configure a single sign-on, approach uh, by the organization level. That's it. We are almost done the user creation work. So once again, we can revisit it. We have done the roles. We have configured, division is configured, view permission already we viewed, phone configuration done, ACD skills we have done, ACD and languages, queues also configured. So person details we have configured. If you want to configure, this is for an example, ABC sales. If the user is part of ABC sales department, is sales representative. Something we can customize it. So we are good to go. on the user creation part now. So this is how we used to create a user manually. In the next training session, we can see how to create a users by importing CSV file into the Genesys Cloud. That is a bulk import options which is available here. So that we can see it in the next session. Thank you for watching.